Page 38, Sunset. Again, there's nothing new here. We're just using what we had. Give us a little more practice. So let's go through my routine for learning a piece of music. I look it over and it looks like it's about 1.5 lines long. Okay. We have treble and bass clef at the beginning and 4/4 time signature again. And I look through it and I see quarter notes, half notes, and whole notes. I think I can handle all that. For the most part, it looks like the hands are playing one hand at a time, but there's a little bit where they're playing together. So I'm going to go ahead and take it one hand at a time and make sure I understand what each hand is doing. And then I'll put them together. So the right hand, when it comes in the second line, is fourth finger here. That puts the hand here. And it's quarter notes. And then here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, isn't that fun? Then the last two measures. Well, so much for the left or right hand. Let's see what the left hand is up to. Starts with thumb and middle C, so I'm here. That's quarter notes. And the left hand at the beginning of the line, you don't need that 2. Cross that out. We don't want it. Read the notes, not the finger numbers. You're already in this position. 2 is already on the B. You're going to use it anyway. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. You get the idea? So once I have each hand figured out, then I'll try and put them together. Well, the first two measures is left hand only, so I'm going to start with the third measure where they play together, and it's here. These notes. And the left hand has a whole note, and then it's these notes. So I'm going from here to here. Again. And then 2 measures to the left hand only, and then the last 2 measures of the piece, the left hand has a whole note again. Here. So that's the hands together. And then I go back through and I get rid of any hesitations anywhere. We'll pretend I did that. Okay, you can do it on your end too. And then I think about the interpretation. Natural accents. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I force them at first, so I make sure I understand them, and then I don't force them anymore. You just feel it. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's like dancing. You dance to the natural accents whether you know it or not, and that you just feel it. Then I could think about maybe the phrasing. Well, I have to play the melody kind of quick so I can hear the thoughts. What are they? That to me sounded like 2 thoughts. We had a statement and a reply. The statement was, and then the reply, and then a statement, then a reply. So it looks like it's a statement reply. A lot of music does this. So each one is a phrase. The statement is a phrase, the reply is a phrase. I'm just going to lift up between them. Lift up, lift up, and just a little lift. That's all it is. It's like taking a breath. You don't have to go that fast, but I do it a little quicker so I can hear the sentences better. Then I might take a look at the words and see, are there any other commas anywhere else that I might want to break it? And I see, no, there isn't. So I'm going to leave the phrases like that. As far as how fast I go, well, it's up to me. The music doesn't say anything. If I were going to sing it, how fast would I sing it? I don't sing in my videos. It's torture enough without that, so we'll just pretend. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4, off. Let's play it together very slowly and check all the notes and rhythms. I'm going to lift up between the phrases, but I'm not really performing it here. We're just checking notes and rhythms. You should play the same note I'm playing at the same time I'm playing it. I'll give us 4 counts. 1, 2, ready, go. 2, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, off.